Hey everybody, so I got the Sun Joe pressure washer. I've had this now for a little while, gone through a couple different moves, and it works great. As you can see, the main knob here is for your on and off. You got two soap dispensers. You can put, you can put like a degreaser, a different kind of soap, maybe for your car, maybe for your driveway, whatever it might be. You got this little nozzle here, or this, not nozzle, but knob, and you can adjust to which one you want to do and how much soap you want to do. You also do get a couple extra rods to extend the handle. You get several different tips. So you got your soap tip, you got your wider angles, your like jet spray, and then of course you got your handle. This does sport the quick connects. It's got a decent amount of force. And that's just the green one. That's the 25-degree one. You also have your jet. You can also buy other attachments and other tools and accessories and everything. Like I got this little disc thing. These are pretty awesome if you haven't tried one of these. These are great for like driveways and sidewalks. Anyway, if you're looking for a good pressure washer, this one has been very good.